Welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. Today I will be showing you how to code Hermite polynomials in Python. Why would you want to know how to do this? Well, maybe you've got some function that you'd like to approximate using the Hermite polynomials, so I will be showing you how to code Hermite polynomials in Python today. Check out the video description as I will try and leave written instructions there. So let's get started. To do this, make sure that you have SciPy installed on your computer. So we're going to be importing SciPy, and we're actually going to be importing a package called special from SciPy. So you're basically going to type from SciPy import special as sp, and I'm just going to run that. Great, and then I'm going to denote my Hermite polynomials as HP, so I'm just going to say HP equals. I've just zoomed in a bit so the code is easier to see. Then you're basically just going to type sp.hermite, oops, and you're going to type have brackets, and then inside the brackets you're going to say n. The first input is n, and n is basically the degree of the Hermite polynomial that you would like, which would be any integer value. And then the next entry in this function is going to be monarchy equals false, which is just the default for this function in SciPy. And that's basically it. You can basically just call this function and just let n be whatever it is that you would like, whatever integer. And that's basically it. If you wanted to know how to code Hermite polynomials in Python, this is the easiest way I know how. And if you know of another way, then leave a comment below and make sure to subscribe for more videos.